Market was going downside direction, so downside breakout, sell call, red color candle open. Like this daily, automatically, it will generate the calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video like this daily by just watching this chart. This chart will give you the calls like a signal. It's a sell call, sell signal, red color candle open. Like this on daily basis, this chart will analyze the candle movement. Once the breakout happen, once the market trend changes, in live market, live signal will come like a, so through this signal you can do your intraday trading, and it will give like a entry point, target and stop loss. Through this entry you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. By connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trade. If you want to know the chart plan detail, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the details. Today it's a Monday market, October 21st we are watching. From 9:20 a.m. market was going downside direction. After 9:34 the breakout happened, sell call, so red color candle open. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? That is our entry line. Below lines are target line, above line is the stop loss line. So the entry point sell at 52,315 and the first target is 52,184. It's more than 125 point first target range, more than 100 point target. On daily basis we are uploading video on Bank Nifty future, but this is a chart, so due to it's a chart you can change script like Nifty, Reliance, crude oil also. This chart will give you the signal for those scripts also. Even option also will come. In few minutes I will show a option chart also. Within 10 minutes of sell call generated, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this call generated and break out the target. And let's take a look at out of the money option, 52,000 put option weekly expiry we are watching. The buy call came at 200 range and market all the way to the 270. Like this in option chart, out of the money option chart also, it really performed well. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.